Tom, I'm just curious. What other any give me some additional thoughts on maybe the Zebra Air Hydro relationship, or just overall the Air Hydro power advantage. What is that uniqueness that is provided?
I think the uniqueness is that we have a sales force and technical resources, excuse me, that understand vision. Vision has grown so much over the years. It was the black hole of death where you really didn't want to do integration. A distributor did not want to get involved in integration because they would lose a lot of money doing that. Where it has evolved to where we are actually now looking at doing high end integration for our customers because we have the expertise on on our own staff that can help them out. So it's evolved through the years, and I think through those all that whole evolution of this product offering, they've stuck with we've stuck with our customers. And we've kept them going. We upgrade them. We show them what they need to do to increase the productivity and to have less issues with the products that they've got on the shelf or that they're trying to get out of their factory.